Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor Simone if you're new here, and as you read by the title for today's video, I'm showing you all how I got these pipe cleaner curls, so stay tuned. So I had posted a poll asking you guys what you wanted to see next, and pipe cleaner tutorial 1, so here we are. I'm starting on retwisted hair I did earlier, and all that's needed really is some mousse, a moisturizer, mine's distilled water, vegetable glycerin, and essential oils, and a whole bunch of pipe cleaners that will all just need to be folded in this shape that I am doing right here. So I started off by sectioning off my hair. I do 2 locks at a time. I do 2 mist sprays, 2 pumps of mousse, and then I put it on my hair. I'm showing you in real time just so you know how long it actually takes, and I start with the loop circle on the bottom, and I wrap my ends first just to make sure that they are secure. And then I just start wrapping, like twirling my hand as you see, just to wrap the rest of the hair onto the pipe cleaner. And I do leave space at the top, as you see, because I take it and fold it down, that way it is secure. And I'm going to demonstrate on 2 more locks in the front, just to make sure that it actually makes sense. But yeah, I did my 2 mist, my 2 pumps of mousse. I'm spreading it on my hair, starting off with the ends. As you see, my ends are very uneven, and so that's another reason why I like to wrap them first. And then once they're wrapped, I start rolling the hair up over that, so that way that stays secure and it'll still have a curl at the bottom. And I just continue rolling up, and I always make sure to leave space, and I'll even roll down a little bit. I just make sure it's all, you know, within the space that that part I folded down can fold over it. So I'm also going to show you how I do the back. I basically do the same exact thing. The only difference is I leave about an inch of space just because I want my curls to have as much length when I take it out on the first day.
So fresh, so clean, love me in and out, I'm feeling lean.
I did the rest of my head off camera. I just wrapped it in my silk scarf, which, by the way, it's comfortable to sleep in this style, so that's not a worry. This is the following day afterwards. As you see, one of my pipe cleaners fell down. It's okay, no biggie. It still came out cute. Anyways, I am showing you how I actually take it out. The reason I folded it down is because I then fold it up, and then I simply just pull it out. And as you see, so simple, so fast. That's the curl. I have a couple of pieces in my hair, but it's never been a big deal to me to just pick them out. But that's the texture I'm left with after I took the rest of it out. The final step really is to fluff out the curls to give yourself more volume, more length. Just gives it that little extra that you want to give it. But this is the final result. I love this style. It's by far my favorite lock style, and right here in this clip I'm showing you guys 3 days later after the curls have fallen. It just looks better with time, in my opinion. But that's the end of this tutorial. I do hope that you enjoyed. Do give me a thumbs up, share, and also comment down below if you want to see more videos from me. But love you guys. I'll see you soon.